college.
मेरे पापा ऑफिस जाते हैं।
My father goes to office.
मेरी मम्मी किचन में काम नहीं करती है।
My mother does not work in kitchen. Bring my doubts to teachers. After joining this institute, I see the changes in myself.
उसे पढ़ना पड़ता है।
He has to study.
उसे मार्केट जाना पड़ता है।
He has to go to market.
Making a mistake, that is a part of the life, that is a part of the journey, learning new things. So that's why I don't want to interrupt her when.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'm going to speak about Gorakhpur city, the place where we live and which is very special to all of us. Gorakhpur is a beautiful and developing city in Uttar Pradesh. It is situated on the banks of river of Rapti, and the name of the city comes from the great saint Guru Gorakhnath. There are many famous places in Gorakhpur, like Gorakhnath Temple, the holy and peaceful place, Gita Press, the greatest publisher of the religious book, and Rail Museum, a place where we learn about railway history, Nauka Vihar at Ramgarh, a very beautiful lake where people enjoy boating, and there are many parks like Vidyavasini Park, Nehru Park, and Ambedkar Park, Indra Bal Vihar, where family spend quality times. Talking about education, Gorakhpur is becoming an education hub. There are many good universities and colleges like Deen Dayal Gorakhpur University, St. Andrews College, Madan Mohan Malviya University, and there are many more colleges and universities. Students come from different places to gain knowledge here. Talking about hospital facilities, there are so many good medical institutes and hospital like BRD Medical College, district hospital, city hospital, maternity hospitals, and many more private hospitals that provide a very good facility. The biggest pride of our city is AIIMS Gorakhpur. AIIMS is one of the best medical institute in India, which provides advanced facility, excellent doctors. People come from many districts for good health care. Gorakhpur is developing day by day. It is growing very fast, like broad roads, good transportation, railways, and domestic airport. Gorakhpur also provide many job opportunities. At the end, I want to say that Gorakhpur is not only city, it is our identity. Thank you.
Okay, so good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, she's Fidos. She has been studying with me for 1 month, at least 1 month.
Yes, sir.
Just I want to see which type things she has improved. Actually, when she came first time, she had hesitation. Even she couldn't know how to speak. There was something I saw in herself. She was looking eager to learn this language. Okay. So when I started teaching her and in the class, so I felt that yes, she can improve. So just I want to ask a few questions. Let's see how much things she has improved. Okay. So I'm going to ask a few questions. I'm going to ask in Hindi, whatever you have studied. मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ डे 1 से। डे 1 से मैंने पढ़ाया था यूज ऑफ डू, डे 2 मैंने पढ़ाया था यूज ऑफ डज। डे 1 से मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ, अभी तक डे 1 से लेकर 1 मंथ में जितना आपने कंप्लीट किया है उसी के बेस पे मैं क्वेश्चन करूंगा और आपको आंसर दें। क्या आप कॉलेज जाती हैं?
Do you go to college?
अगर मुझे पॉजिटिव आंसर देना, हाँ मैं कॉलेज जाती हूँ।
Yes, I go to college.
मैं कॉलेज नहीं जाती हूँ।
No, I do not go to college.
ऐसे ही थर्ड पर्सन के बारे में पूछना हो कि क्या वह कॉलेज जाता है, कैसे हम पूछेंगे?
Does he goes to college?
Does he go to college?
Does he go to college?
ठीक है, जब हम आंसर देंगे तब वहां पे यस यस होगा, ठीक है ना। अगर हमें पॉजिटिव में आंसर देना हो, हाँ मेरा जो भाई है कॉलेज जाता है, तो कैसे बोलेंगे?
Yes, my brother goes to college.
मेरा भाई जो कॉलेज नहीं जाता है।
My brother does not go to college.
मेरे पापा ऑफिस जाते हैं.
My father goes to office.
मेरी मम्मी किचन में काम नहीं करती है.
My mother does not work in kitchen.
ओके, वेरी गुड. अब आते हैं थोड़ा आईएनजी पे, जो हमने आपको पढ़ाया था. जैसे बोलना हो कि मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, कैसे बोले?
Sorry sir.
मैं पढ़ रही हूँ.
I am studying.
मैं कॉलेज जा रही हूँ.
I'm going to college.
ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन करना हो साहब, थर्ड पर्सन के सामने वाले से क्वेश्चन करना हो कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, कैसे पूछेंगे?
What are you doing?
व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? ऐसा बोलना हो कि मैं सुबह से आपका इंतजार कर रही हूँ.
I have been waiting for you since morning.
ओके, मैं आप 2 घंटे से क्लास कर रही हूँ.
I have been taking class for 2 hours.
फॉर 2 आवर्स. ऐसे फ्यूचर के लिए मैं क्वेश्चन करना हो कि मैं कल नहीं आऊंगी. अच्छा, मुझे सिंपल एक स्टेटमेंट देना फ्यूचर में कि मैं कल नहीं आऊंगी.
I will not come tomorrow.
मैं कल आऊंगी.
I will come tomorrow.
और सामने वाले से पूछना हो कि क्या आप कल आएंगे, तो कैसे पूछेंगे?
Will you come tomorrow?
विल यू
Come tomorrow.
कम टुमारो. और सामने वाला को अगर आंसर देना हो निगेटिव में, नहीं मैं कल नहीं आऊंगी.
No, I will not come tomorrow.
ऐसा क्वेश्चन करना हो कि आप कैसे जाएंगे, आप कैसे जाएंगे?
How will you going?
हाउ विल यू गो?
How
हाउ
will
विल
you
यू गो? मैंने एक कंपल्सन पढ़ाया था, मुझे कुछ कहना है.
I have to speak.
आई हैव टू से.
Sorry, I have to say.
आई हैव टू से समथिंग. मुझे कुछ कहना है.
I have to say something.
ठीक है, मुझे पढ़ना पड़ता है.
I have to study.
उसे पढ़ना पड़ता है.
He have to study.
स्पीक लाउडली. ही हैज टू स्टडी.
He
उसे
has to study.
ओके, उसे पढ़ना पड़ता है.
He has to study.
उसे मार्केट जाना पड़ता है.
He has to go to market.
मेरे माँ को किचन में काम करना पड़ता है.
My mother has to work in kitchen.
मेरे पापा को ऑफिस जाना पड़ता है.
My father has to go to office.
ठीक है, अभी हमने हैज टू पढ़ा, उसके बाद अभी हमने डिजायर पढ़ा. ठीक है, आज की क्लास में मैंने आपको डिजायर पढ़ा है. डिजायर से रिलेटेड मैं एक क्वेश्चन करता हूँ. मैं इंग्लिश बोलना चाहती हूँ.
I want to speak English.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहती हूँ.
I want to learn English.
मैं पापा से बात करना चाहती हूँ.
I want to talk to my father.
My father. Okay, very good. Okay, so try to share your experience about your success classes.
Before joining this institute,
Hmm?
I was not able to speak in English. Even this is the best decision in my life.
Hmm?
I go on a map. I search where is the institute. Spoken classes available. I got this institute, so success classes on the Google. Came here so many times, but office is closed. Office was closed. After that, finally I asked one of my friend, what is the timing of the office? Then said,
She told me.
she told me that the office was closed at 5 p.m. Then I came here very early. Then I talked to an office. After that, I joined, took demo classes. Before joining this institute, I'm introvert. After that, I feel.
Before joining, you were very introvert.
Yes, I'm very introvert. I'm not even asking question in my classes. Not clearing my doubts to teachers. After joining this institute, I see the changes in myself. I am able to speak doubts in classes. I am speak doubts in this class also.
I can clear my doubt.
Yes, sir.
Because what do you think about course, whatever you study?
This is very good structured course. It is very understandable.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
She has been studying with me for 1 month, and while speaking, she is making a few mistakes. I'm not going to interrupt her because I know making a mistake, that is a part of the life, that is a part of the journey, learning new things. So that's why I don't want to interrupt her when she is speaking. So she tried very nice, even she spoke very nice. She made few mistake, that is nothing, and I hope in the future when she will come again in front of camera, so that mistake will be 100% improved. So that's all about her journey.